Guys, so look I have no top lip and a smile. So this lip I'm wearing is called Tattoo and it's from Juvia's Place. But I wanted to give you guys an update on my hair from Beauty Forever. But remember the first video I had more of like a curve thing here going on, and people in Jamaica they're calling, you know, the Portia hairdo, which I wasn't really fond of because I was like, oh my gosh, that's what it looks like. That was never my intention, but I really wanted to do a bang as well as like a short bang, something like this, something you can just throw on your head and you're good to go, you see me? And I barely can tell, like there's some like crimps, there's some inconsistencies, it's like it can look kind of lumpy and stuff, yeah, because I just like I barely flat ironed it. And that's what I love about the hairs from Beauty Baker, is not Beauty Baker, from Beauty Forever hair, especially the straight hair and like the kinky curly hair. The only thing with the kinky curly hair is from any company, to be honest with you, it's just that the back gets nappy because it's rubbing against the neck because of the friction, and it gets sweaty around there and stuff, so around there does get nappy. But their straight hair stays straight. I did not store this hair properly. I literally just threw it on my vanity. I had to take my bag up off for it before I did this video. So for all of that and not putting it up and it was rubbing against like some materials or whatever, I feel like this hair looks so good. For me, I barely flat iron the front. I just like want to swipe like for the top part of the hair, and it is looking really nice. I love it. So I wanted to update you guys on this hair from Beauty Forever hair, and also this is something I never thought I'd put on my channel because I just felt like it was a product that was very overhyped. Plus I've seen it in action because when I did that whole series where I had other makeup artists do my makeup, majority of them use this product on my face, and it is none other than the Mariam Badescu skincare. It's his facial spray, and this one is with aloe. So it is cruelty free and paraben free, and it says it invigorates dull tired skin with an infusion of nutrient rich botanicals and cucumber essential water. This facial mist delivers a cooling boost of hydration as green tea provides powerful antioxidant protection, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. No, I do not like setting sprays, and in one of my videos, I think it was only one Empo, I had said that, you know, maybe if I use a setting spray then maybe it will look a little bit more, I think, refined or something like that. I can't remember what you had said, and I was thinking, oh, but I do not like setting sprays because of where I live. I am Jamaican, I live in Jamaica, so I don't want to put setting spray on my face because I feel like when I put setting spray on my face, that my makeup is going to melt off, I'm going to be really hot, and I'm going to be very frustrated. Yesterday at church, I went to the Kingston branch of my church. There are like several branches, but I went to the Kingston branch, and the Kingston branch has air conditioning, right? So I feel like these setting sprays work better for me anyway when there's air conditioning. But girl, I sprayed this on my face yesterday. You see, I have like well, this was gifted to me from a friend. Like, she's like, you know, I bought this and you can have it. So it's used somewhat, but not to the extent that it would have been worth like half the bottle or whatever. I'm not telling you something. I didn't my makeup looked so good. At the end of the day, I did not want to take it off. The only thing I removed were like my lashes, and I was just shocked. I was like, this is not my face, it's not my skin. Now everything works together when it comes to facial mist, I think anyway. I feel like if your face has less texture, less imperfections, then it just works better, you know what I mean? Same goes for foundation, you know, moisturizing your face. So I'm saying a good skincare routine will enhance whatever product you put on your face. And I'm letting you know right now, honey, my skin is nowhere near where it used to be. I'm having these odd weird breakouts, like on my chest is a lot of breakouts, my forehead, something here on my side, and I have like those bumps where you only see that they're bumps, but there's like, I see like one little lump, like, oh, what's that? Oh, I don't know if anything in there, and you squeeze it and like the stuff just coming out, and I'm just like, wow, that's where I am right now. So I use my scrub probably 2-3 times a week when I remember, to be honest, but I'm using mostly my soap and my cinnamon soap from Nature's Pure, as well as my face moisturizer, my turmeric moisturizer from Nature's Pure again. And you guys have seen me use this stuff before, and I'm actually wearing the moisturizer underneath this foundation today. Yesterday I just wore my moisturizer from Nature's Pure, the turmeric one, with my Beauty Bakery number 17 foundation, and this. I did not put a primer on my face, and I don't know if it's because the place was air conditioned, but I'm telling you, my makeup went nowhere. It went absolutely nowhere. No, I just didn't know I would love this so much, and I really do. I'm going to test it out, however, in like just normal non-air conditioned weather. The best test for me is when I'm leading worship at my church, because I sweat a lot. Like, I'm usually dripping when I'm done, so that's the best test. And my church doesn't have air conditioning. We just have the natural beings of Jesus flowing through the auditorium or whatever. So yeah, I don't have air conditioning, so I'll update you guys on Snapchat to see how that turns out. But the reason I am raving about this now is because I never believed in it. I do not believe in setting sprays. I feel like if you have the right products, tools, and how you manipulate both products and tools, your face can stay on long. You can get that dewy look without putting this on your face or whatever. I just never believed in setting sprays. I've had so many setting sprays that I've given away because I'm like, I use them, love them, I don't want to use them anymore, because the one, even Inglot, you guys are raving about Inglot setting spray, and I end up giving it away because I stopped using it because I'm like, I don't want to put that on my face. So I'll see how this goes. I'll see how this goes. But it's the cucumber one. It's green. But it's green, so it's the cucumber one, and I just really wanted to come and talk about this today. The truth is, you guys, I actually have this entire video planned where I'm going to be doing like my monthly faves, and it's like midway January I was like, yo, I'm going to get this done. I'm going to do my monthly faves video. And then February came, then February is still here. I believe we're like mid-February and I still can't get that January faves up as yet. So I'm going to just push it down to February faves because I have that video for you guys that I really want you guys to see. Some products that I've been using, loving. I stand by my products, and yeah, I'm looking a little bit sweaty because there's no fan on, and this is a bang. So yeah, so I'm sweating. But oh, and I did not spray this on my face. Should I? No, I can't, because right after this video I have like work to do, so I know I'll be sweating. So excuse me. So yeah, this is it for this video. My Beauty Forever hair, I'll link everything in regards to the hair in the description bar below. And right here I have some other videos that I've done with Beauty Bakery. Oh, I keep on saying Beauty Bakery. that I've done with Beauty Forever hair, so please go ahead and enjoy those as well. Again, Beauty Forever, you keep coming through. You know, it's set with the wavy hair and like the frontals and closures, but for now you keep coming through, and I like that. Love working with Beauty Forever here. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love and the support. We're at over 206,000 subscribers right now. My views are coming back up there. It's like I'm learning this new algorithm type thing. Please do not forget to subscribe. Oh god, it's a lot buckling, honey. So subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Ooh, this is cute. Take a picture like this.